What if I told you that an alien visitor might have already passed through our solar system?
Back in 2017, an object like no other appeared in our cosmic neighborhood, leaving scientists both baffled and excited. Its name, a Hawaiian word meaning messenger from afar arriving first. But here's the twist: recent NASA updates suggest we might not fully understand what Oumuamua truly is, and they've issued a final, shocking warning. Is it natural? Is it alien? Let's dive into the strange, mind-boggling story of Oumuamua, a tale of mystery, discovery, and the possibility of interstellar secrets. It all began on when the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii, designed to spot asteroids, detected something extraordinary. At first glance, it seemed like just another space rock. But as astronomers looked closer, they realized this wasn't a typical asteroid, comet, or anything we'd ever seen before.
Reviewing telescope data was the first to spot this anomaly.
Its orbit was unlike anything in our solar system, a clear sign that it came from.
This wasn't just another asteroid, it was the first ever detected by humans.
Imagine discovering something completely alien in your own neighborhood.
What would you do?
Well, that's exactly how astronomers felt when they realized they were observing a true visitor from beyond the stars. Oumuamua isn't your typical space traveler.
It's a fancy term for its one-way path through the solar system, immediately set it apart.
Unlike planets or comets bound to the sun's gravity, Oumuamua zoomed past at an astonishing too fast to ever be captured by our sun's pull.
But speed wasn't the only thing odd about it. It defies explanation.
Observations suggest it's elongated, like a cosmic cigar or even a pancake, measuring roughly.
Nothing in our solar system naturally looks like this. The strangest part?
When Oumuamua began leaving our solar system, it accelerated unexpectedly, as if something was. Normally, comets speed up when they get close to the sun, releasing gas and dust that act like a natural rocket. But Oumuamua didn't display any visible tail, halo, or emission, nothing typical of comets.
So, what caused this acceleration? Scientists are still debating. Could it be 1.
Slowly sublimating in the sun's heat?
2.
Propelled by unseen reactions?
3. Or something even more?
Harvard professor took the conversation to the next level, suggesting that Oumuamua could be designed to catch starlight and glide across the cosmos.
Is it possible we've witnessed a piece of advanced engineering from another civilization?
The name Oumuamua wasn't chosen lightly. In Hawaiian, it means and it captures the mystery and wonder of this cosmic traveler. The name also honors the Pan-STARRS team in Hawaii, whose discovery opened an entirely new chapter in astronomy. Oumuamua isn't just a scientific marvel, it's also a cultural moment, connecting the spirit of discovery with ancient traditions. Scientists tracked Oumuamua's path back to its potential origin, pointing to the bright star. But here's the kicker: even traveling at incredible speeds, Oumuamua likely began its journey. Think about that. Oumuamua has been traveling through the interstellar void, exposed to radiation, cosmic rays, and unimaginable loneliness, for longer than life has existed on Earth. Oumuamua's discovery raises a tantalizing possibility: are there more interstellar objects like it? Just 2 years later, in 2019, scientists spotted another interstellar visitor. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov behaved more like a typical comet, but its discovery confirmed one thing: our galaxy might be teeming with such wanderers. Could these objects carry clues about other star systems, or even imagine if Oumuamua is just one of many, each a messenger from a distant part of the galaxy? Avi Loeb's alien theory sparked intense debate. Could Oumuamua be sent intentionally or accidentally by another civilization?
Its unusual shape and unexplained acceleration add fuel to this idea. But skeptics argue for natural explanations.
Perhaps Oumuamua is a fragment of a larger body, ejected during a collision billions of years ago. Or maybe it's so faint we can't see its emissions.
What do you think?
Could this mysterious object be natural, or is it the first evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth?
Share your theories in the comments below.
Oumuamua isn't just a curiosity, it's a game changer. Its discovery has already led to new space missions like the designed to spot more interstellar objects. These missions could answer profound questions: How many interstellar visitors pass through unnoticed?
Could these objects carry the seeds of life? What do they reveal about the universe beyond our solar system?
Studying Oumuamua also teaches us humility. It's a reminder that we're part of a vast, interconnected cosmos, filled with mysteries we've only begun to explore. Recent studies have suggested something shocking. While initial data suggested a one-way trip, subtle changes in its path raise the possibility that it could swing back in the distant future.
If that happens, what should we do?
Could we intercept it with spacecraft, collect samples, or even establish contact?
Imagine the possibilities.
Oumuamua came and went, but it left behind more questions than answers. Is it a natural relic from a distant star system, a cosmic letter accidentally delivered to us? Or is it something far more profound, a deliberate message, a probe, or even a warning? One thing is clear, Oumuamua's brief visit has changed the way we think about our place in the universe.
It's a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves.
What do you think Oumuamua really is? Could it be alien technology, a piece of a distant planet, or something we haven't even imagined yet?
Share your thoughts in the comments.
And don't forget to hit the for more incredible